Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how you can rotate a video. Some of you guys might wish to rotate your video to the left or right or even turn it upside down for a certain project. Or maybe you recorded the video at an angle that you are unsatisfied with. So I'm going to teach you guys as to how you can rotate your video to your liking. So what we want to do first is work with Adobe Premiere Pro. We want to first go to where it says Editing. Click Editing up here at the top. After you do that, select the clip of which you wish to rotate. Click here. This is the clip that I took. So we can see there's this video of us walking up the Great Wall. Now, if we want to rotate it left, I'm going to show you guys what you can do. We want to go over here to where it says Effect Controls. Click on that. So if you want to rotate it to the left, 90 degrees, go ahead and do minus 90. You rotate it 90 degrees. If you want to change it back, just type 0 and it'll be at its original. Now a circle is 360, so look what happens if you put 360 in. Nothing. But if you want to rotate it right, do 90 degrees, then it goes to the right. If you do 180, it goes upside down. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out these links to some of my other videos. I really wish to help you guys with more issues with Adobe Premiere. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and please stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.